What is that? What is it? Come here, Brookie. Oh my gosh, is that a coloring book?
I wanna open this.
You do?
I wanna open this.
Okay, I'll open it. Can you say thank you to Grandmere?
Thank you, Grandma.
Oh, nice. Okay, you love it. Oh, it's fun. It's Barbie.
Open it.
Okay, sweetie.
I got Ariel.
What else is in the bag? Whoa, is that a dress? Pretty! Ah, Brookie's wearing the dress now. Brookie!
Open it.
Okay, say thank you.
Thank you.
I love you.
Open it.
Okay, can you say I love you?
I love you, Grandma.
Okay. Love you. Thank you, Grandma.